for joining me today. This is going to be a farm to actual table, chiropractic table. I'm getting a lot of questions today as to whether or not the chiropractic adjustment can cure the coronavirus. And I want to share some information with you. As a chiropractor, when we adjust the spine, we're on the vertebral segments that actually protect the nervous system. And your nervous system is intricately designed to send messages from the brain throughout the whole body, involving every system, your cardiovascular system, your endocrine system, your GI system, and especially your immune system. So every time I administer an adjustment, I'm actually putting that life force into the nervous system to generate a change in that immune system. So it's going to build up that immune system with every single adjustment. I have Glenn here. He's been a patient for over 20 years, and he's agreed to let me adjust him. So I'm going to adjust him while we're filming so you can get an idea of a chiropractic adjustment. So let me have you go face down for your stomach. So this is what's called flexion distraction. This is actually going to increase blood flow in between the disc spaces in his spine. A chiropractor can adjust medial and lateral in different planes, but as far as top to bottom, I'm going to use the table to actually help me assist do that. So I'm going to increase the blood flow in between the disc spaces, and then I'm going to actually put a little bit of distraction in that, again allowing more blood flow in between the disc spaces. And I'm going to have him actually lie on his side and face me. I'm going to raise this table up for him. There you go. Put it right there. And he's smiling, so he's enjoying that. And I'm going to bend this knee. And what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of a force, that L4, L5 neural root. Lie on your back for me. That's great. So his C5, actually I'm going to adjust that tissue. And that's good. And let me have you lie on your stomach for me. The C5 actually innervates the anterior deltoid and upper body in so many ways. Arms by your side for me. Come on up for me. Thank you so much for allowing me to do that on video.
No problem.
Thanks so much for joining me today. And if you do not have a chiropractor, find a chiropractor. If I'm your local chiropractor, give us a call. And if